Okay guys, this is how you make macchiato. So medyo more on milk siya and 2 shots of espresso. So what we can do, try to have chocolate latte, but instead of chocolate latte, we're gonna have 2 milk froth. Okay. One more, another milk froth, so as you can see, this is more of a milky side of it, and then we'll have 2 shots of espresso. And then usually if you want to combine it with a caramel or a mocha syrup or any syrup that you have, hazelnut macchiato, you can also do that. But for this is just plain macchiato. Okay, more on the milk side, and then 2 shots of espresso. This is how you make macchiato. One more shot of espresso, and that's it. Brewing. So if you have other ways of creating it, make sure the macchiato is more of milky side of it, and you'll be able to have your own version of your macchiato.